On tonight's Health Alert, the controversy about the effects of phenylalanine. What is it? Is it safe? Can the sweetener in your morning tea really change your behavior? Here's Erin for more details.
Phenylalanine is a natural amino acid that is found in many artificial sweeteners. It and aspartic acid are the main ingredients in the sweetener aspartame, which is used under several brands including NutraSweet and Equal. It tastes approximately 200 times sweeter than sugar and provides a low-calorie substitute. Because of its use in artificial sweeteners, much of the research about the effects of phenylalanine in humans regards safe consumption. Other research studies the genetic disease PKU, which presents as an inability to metabolize phenylalanine.
So, Emily, what's the big deal about something healthier and sweeter than sugar? It's consumed by millions, and it can be found in virtually any supermarket.
The problem is people have attributed a litany of adverse events to phenylalanine and aspartame consumption. These claims include headaches and digestive problems, even birth defects and diseases. One of the more common complaints refers to changes in mood or behavior. With all the claims and horror stories, it's hard to determine whether aspartame is safe or not.
You said something about mood and behavior. Could you elaborate on that and the studies that have been done about it? How could sweetener change someone's behavior?
There's been decades of experiments surrounding the safety of aspartame. Some studies involve healthy children and adults, while others include people with certain conditions such as PKU or attention deficit disorders. Further studies have researched the effects shown in mice and other animals. Experiments conducted with healthy human adults have not demonstrated any connection between phenylalanine and behavior. In one study, both aspartame and phenylalanine were tested, and subjects overall reported no change in mood, hunger, or arousal. Since both phenylalanine and aspartame yielded the same results, then neither phenylalanine alone nor the other components in aspartame have any effect. Other studies with adults yielded similar results. There was no pattern of change in behavior or cognition.
In general, studies with children with and without attention deficit disorders have yielded no significant trends with behavior following phenylalanine ingestion. Several experiments use aspartame as a control or comparison to studies about sugar and sucrose, another artificial sweetener. These experiments reported no changes in behavior in children who were given aspartame. These studies measured learning, attention span, behavior, and hyperactivity. Several studies found negative results with sucrose but not with aspartame. Other studies that looked at behavior in young children that have ingested aspartame have found no significant increase in inappropriate behaviors. These studies all concluded that levels of aspartame that exceed the recommended daily intake still do not cause changes in behavior or cognition.
So, should I be worried about consuming too much soda or too much sweetener in general?
If you're worried about behavioral effects, then no. There has not been any correlation between phenylalanine and behavioral effects.
Thank you, Emily and Erin. Now moving on to Peri with the weather.